Baby boy uli ang magiging anak ng actor-dancer na si Nico Natividad at ng kanyang asawang si Shelo Eusebio. Ibinida ni Nico at Shelo ang tungkol sa gender ng kanilang second baby sa pamamagitan ng official announcement sa kanilang respective social media account. Ibinahagi ng mag-asawa sa publiko ang ilang litrato at video na kuha sa naganap na gender reveal party para sa kanilang magiging anak. Sa caption ng post, sinabi ng mag-asawa na inakala nilang girl na ang ipinagbubuntis ni Shelo pero mali ang kanilang hula. Say hello to the newest member of our family, it's a boy again, we thought we were having a girl, but the Lord surprised us with a beautiful baby boy. Excited to welcome you soon, thank you to everyone who took the time to celebrate with us and to those who helped make our little party a success, ang nakasulat sa kanilang social media post. Matatanda ang ibinalita ni Nico at Shelo na magkakaroon na sila ng baby number 2, tuwang-tuwa ang mag-asawa dahil madadagdagan na ang kanilang pamilya. Even miracles take a little time, sabi nila sa kanilang IG post na may hashtag na baby on the way at biggest blessing for 2024. After 4 years of trying, we are feeling grateful and blessed for this miracle. We can't wait to meet you, little one, sabi pa ni Nico sa kanilang post. November 2021 nang ikasal si Nico at Shelo at biniyayaan ng isang anak na pinangalanan nilang Aiden. Very soon ay magiging kuya na rin si Aiden.